This snapped. I glued it back, but I know the glue's not going to hold it, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reinforce it using that polymorph stuff. It snapped there, and it snapped there as well. That's where I glued it, but as I said, I know the glue's not going to hold it. So I've got the pan there with the hot water inside it and the polymorph, and now I'm going to apply that on the two bits that broke here and there. I'm just sort of squeezing it into shape, and you got to be sort of quick because when it cools down it will turn hard. Alright, that's now in place now. You got to give it about 10 minutes to cool down, and once it cools down it will turn hard. That's now cured now because my shed's kind of cold in there, so that's why it's sort of cured quite fast. Even though it's hard, it does have a bit of flex to it still. It does flex a bit. Let's say it won't sort of crack like other plastics. It will flex a little bit. I've also used it on the barger as well. This bit here snapped some time ago, and that's been there for a couple of months now, and it's still holding. I've also used it to repair my fly sky because that bit broke. That's been there for about 2 years now, still going strong. So I know quite a few of you have thrown these away and bought a new one because that bit's has broke. Because I am a tight bastard, yeah. So if I can repair something to save a bit of money, I will. I first saw this stuff advertised in the Maplins booklet some years ago before I even got into RC. You can also get it on eBay as well, because when I ran out of this, I bought some more on eBay. I thought I'd just spread the knowledge, because I know not many people know about this stuff. And there's no point in keeping it to myself, you know. I might as well spread it out there, you know. I might help someone out. Some of you lot might find it useful. It might help you out. And some of you might think it's a load of crap.